HARSLE. Save time, money.
My name is Thomas. I come from Uganda, Africa. I'm from Kampala. I bought the first machine from HARSLE, the company manufacturing these machines, and I found them very good. I first bought a punching machine, bought an iron worker, so it worked very nice for me. I have some contracts there in Uganda, in which I use these machines. So after seeing that the first machine was so nice, that's why I've come back to buy another machine. So I'm buying this bending machine, the hydraulic pressing bending machine. So I'm here in China, in this very company, to buy another machine. So I call upon all of you who are outside there to come to this very company, because it's producing machines of high quality and the machines are so good. So they even give you advice on how to operate them. Even though the machine gets a problem, when you are very far, very deep in your country, you can contact them and they direct you on how to operate it and how to rectify the problem.
HARSLE. Save time, money.